Shampoo.
Oh shit. Welcome back, everybody, to CNR Reviews. I'm E-Rock.
I'm Coltrane.
And we got another box to open.
Hell,
It's called
yeah.
the Battlbox.
Yup.
Just got this in a couple days ago.
We've had it in, yeah. Yeah, was it a couple days ago?
I don't know.
Shit, something like that.
Like a fucking week or something.
It was like a week.
We
It's been
busy,
like a week,
okay? We got all kind of shit going on.
Yeah.
With this Corona.
Rona. Anyway, we won't get into this thing.
Let's do it.
We don't really. This is my third one. The third month shipment.
Ooh.
What is this? Everything falls out
I know,
off
right?
the table.
Ooh, it's got a picture of a knife on it. That's always a good sign.
Mission 62.
You know,
Got some campfire medium roast coffee.
Oh shit! We're definitely gonna try that.
Ridiculously smooth, with notes of almond, hints of cinnamon, and a lingering finish. Hell yeah! Bug bite.
Bug bite suction tool.
This says bug bite thing.
Suction tool.
Insect bite plus sting suction tool.
What?
How does that work?
Try that out.
Helps alleviate itching and swelling from bug bites and stings.
I got a bug bite somewhere from. Push it down. I bet you push it down, it locks, and then it. What? You braked it.
No, I was barely even in. How do you even do this with one hand?
Oh shit!
Oh, that's cool.
Here, let me try it. Ah!
That's actually that works pretty fucking good.
It shucked it.
Shucked it.
What else we got?
There's
here?
that thing.
That's pretty cool. Lord and Field Outfitters. This needs a little knife, bro.
Oh.
Could it?
A whittle knife. I'm using. I was using the wrong end.
Oh Lord Jesus.
What this
It's
is?
heavy though.
Damn, yeah, it is.
Fuck you.
Oh,
Oh,
what
nice.
the fuck?
Oh, it's a Swiss Army knife. Dude.
Oh, dude, look, it has spoons and forks
yeah,
on it.
man.
What?
Hell yeah. Survival little
Look,
Swiss
it's got
Army.
a spoon, a fork, and then on the fork there's a little bottle opener. Wow. That's pretty big.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
pretty big for a Swiss Army knife.
Hell yeah.
It's actually pretty damn sharp, too.
So it is. It's made by Lord and Field. Obviously
Lord
not,
Field.
you know, the actual Swiss Army knife. But
It actually looks really cool, too.
it does look cool.
Wood finish.
It's heavy duty,
and
bro.
then, yeah, for sure.
You could be
gold
scooping,
and bronze plate in the
You
spoon.
could be scooping some soup with that spoon, and it won't even break.
You could scoop Marine Corps muck, and it ain't gonna break. Okay.
And what's in that orange thing?
This looks like a flare.
Oh, nice, dude.
What the fuck is that thing? This is
Lick it.
Pro Camp Tech Fat Rope Stick.
Oh, it's fire.
Weatherproof
like a
fire starter.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Non-toxic. Cut what you need. Save the rest for later. No evaporation. Fat rope stick.
What?
Maintains performance even partially used. Huh.
Enhanced performance.
Eating.
It's like the. Let me see what he did. You push it out and it's like. Oh
yeah,
man, that's fucking hard, bro.
Yeah, and then you just cut
Took a blue
whatever
pill.
you need. You cut whatever you need off, and then you just use it as like tinder.
We got to test this shit out.
Yeah, dude.
Bro.
I've seen videos on stuff like that. It works really good. Does have a
It doesn't
smell?
even know.
No?
Not at all.
Huh.
You.
Huh. All right, what else we got in here?
All right, we got a knife.
Ooh. This looks like a nice little knife.
Hell yeah. Looks like a fillet knife, bro.
It does.
For like fishing.
What is this? Maracun.
That's it. Snake bite.
Snake. Yeah, I wonder if
Shuck
you could
it
buy
out.
like a rattlesnake.
Bee sting.
Dude, what?
Oh,
What the
Jesus.
hell is this thing?
Got fucked up.
Oh, it's a fucking flint.
Ooh.
That's
We'll
dope.
go with this.
It
It's like
locks
part of
in.
the handle.
Yeah.
What?
Just goes up in there, then it locks. Oh,
It is nice.
that motherfucker's sharp now.
Coffee outside.
Feel that thing.
I can smell how sharp it is.
Huh.
Woo!
Yeah, that is sharp, dude.
What?
Came with a little paracord thing.
Watch
Little
this.
wrap.
We're gonna light it. We're gonna light it.
Right here?
No.
All right, then.
In this box.
Oh, that'll be great.
We'll blow it out. Let me see that scraper.
Right there.
Oh, it's in here. All right. Hopefully we don't catch a house on fire. Dude, this thing sparks awesome.
It does. Oh, there you go. There you go.
Oh, there it goes.
See? Still got magnesium fucking floating away.
Nice. Where was the
The rope was inside the sheath.
Oh, nice.
Like just stuck in there.
Really?
Yeah.
And it's got a, this is all one plastic piece. Dude, this is like fresh ground coffee.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna put that in my
that's
survival
nice,
bag.
I know, dude.
That way I can eat some stew. Some turtle stew or something.
Turtle soup.
Turtle stew.
We got some good shit in this
We got
box.
some
I actually
coffee.
We're gonna try some of that.
Kniffy. Some. And then a really cool utensil.
Yes,
Swiss
it
Army
is.
knife.
Very...
All right. Well, that's the box. Have a good night. So we got some pretty awesome shit in this box.
Yeah.
I like this box more than the last one we got.
Yeah.
He's gonna be a broken record.
You thought I was gonna say that.
I did. That's why I started laughing. I love
Stay
it.
tuned.
Stay tuned for the next one. We got an Alpha Outpost.
We got an Alpha Outpost box we're gonna open.
Right. Meow.
Real soon. I'll see you guys.
See y'all.